Minister Atishi filing her nomination today from the Kalkaji seat, where she's been fielded against the BJP candidate Ramesh Biduri and Congress leader and candidate Alka Lamba. And just a day before filing her nomination, the Chief Minister yesterday launched a crowdfunding campaign to fight the elections. Citing zero corruption under former Chief Minister Kejriwal, Atishi this time has urged Delhiites to help her and the Aam Aadmi Party fight the elections.
देश भर से आम लोगों ने आम आदमी पार्टी को डोनेट किया ईमानदार राजनीति करने के लिए। हम चुनाव लड़ने के लिए चंदा बड़े बड़े अपने बिजनेसमैन दोस्तों से नहीं लेते हैं, दिल्ली के आम लोगों के छोटे छोटे डोनेशन से। मैं अपने चुनाव के लिए, जो मैं कालकाजी विधानसभा से लड़ रही हूं, एक क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन की शुरुआत कर रही हूं कि जो 40 लाख रुपए मुझे चाहिए अपनी विधानसभा क्षेत्र में चुनाव लड़ने के लिए, मेरी आज दिल्ली के लोगों से, देश भर के लोगों से अपील है कि वो सामने आए और इस क्राउड फंडिंग कैंपेन में मुझे सपोर्ट करें।
Now let's talk about the BJP quick to quip at the Aam Aadmi Party over a campaign reminding Kejriwal of Liquorgate loot and slamming the Aam Aadmi Party's Chanda for campaign stunt. Aam Aadmi Party has also hit back at the BJP, hurling business friends barb at the party.
आम आदमी पार्टी चंदा मांग रही है, जिसने शराब घोटालेबाजों से चंदा ले लिया, मोहल्ला क्लिनिक में लैब टेस्ट के नाम पर घोटाला करके चंदा ले लिया, बस घोटाला करके उसमें चंदा ले लिया, दिल्ली जल बोर्ड में घोटाला करके कॉन्ट्रैक्टर से चंदा ले लिया, जिसने स्कूल को टॉयलेट बताकर, शिक्षा की क्लासरूम को टॉयलेट बताकर स्कूल क्लासरूम का घोटाला करके वहां पर चंदा इकट्ठा कर लिया। अब वो चंदा मांग रहे। अरे कोर्ट ने बताया है कि कैसे आपने शराब घोटालेबाजों को मुनाफा पहुंचाया।
बीजेपी तो अडानी के पैसे से चुनाव लड़ती है, उसको पैसे क्या दिक्कत है। हम आम कार्यकर्ता, आम आदमी के चंदे से चुनाव लड़ते हैं, तो हमको लोगों से अपील करनी होती है, लोगों से चंदा मांगना होता है, तब हम चुनाव लड़ पाते हैं। भाजपाइयों को क्या दिक्कत है, बड़े बड़े धन्ना सेठ सब उनके पास है।
Let's get in a word from Petri, who is tracking the Chief Minister Atishi, as today she will be filing her nominations. As far as quickly going across to her as what's happening right now, because as the nomination will be filed, of course she's been also seeking help or chanda or crowdfunding campaign that has also been begun by the Aam Aadmi Party leader.
Well, absolutely, the crowdfunding campaign was already launched by Atishi, who is currently going to file the nomination, and in fact we are reporting from her nomination rally. We will also show you the visuals as to what is happening over here. You can see that first of all Atishi went to offer prayers at Kalkaji temple, and as it seems that it's a ritual for Aam Aadmi Party before starting or before starting any kind of campaign or nomination rally, or in fact we have also seen at the times when Arvind Kejriwal walked out of Tihar jail, mostly they first go to temple, offer prayers, because you see temple politics plays a major role. It seems like as far as the national elections in the national capital are concerned. In the frame you see Atishi and Manish Sisodia. In fact now they are in the nomination rally, and in a while from now they will be filing, Atishi will be filing the nomination. And now also let us talk about this particular constituency, Kalkaji, which is witnessing a triangular fight between BJP, Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress Party, because BJP has also fielded Mr. Biduri from this particular seat, and apart from that Alka Lamba is contesting from the Congress Party here from Kalkaji. But as far as in fact if we talk about the candidate herself, Atishi, so also remember that apart from being the Chief Minister, Atishi has also been the Education Minister. She was also the PWD Minister. Also she has closely worked with Manish Sisodia as well. So that we'll also show you the visuals as to what's happening over here in the nomination rally. We'll also try to speak to few individuals who have come over here in the rally, and in fact they are all Aam Aadmi Party Karyakartas who have gathered, and this particular rally certainly will also, in fact according to Aam Aadmi Party, it seems like they will be also sending a message to all the opposition parties as well who are contesting against them. And in fact Atishi, while speaking to media, have also said that she is very much sure that she will be winning with a greater margin as far as the Kalkaji constituency is concerned. But in fact, if we talk about this particular constituency and the past, so yes, this has been a stronghold of Aam Aadmi Party since they year 2015. But in 2015, Atishi was not contesting from here.
All right.
Atishi started contesting from this particular constituency since the year 2020. And post that, she won. And then she became, we saw that then she became the education
Of course,
minister.
she's
Then she was
served
also
as an
given
MLA,
some
she served as a minister, and now is currently serving as the chief minister of the national capital, Atishi, who will be shortly filing a nomination. The roadshow that is being held with the Aam Aadmi Party Jangpura candidate Manish Sisodia accompanying her. As we'll be getting you the live updates from Delhi Dangal, let's shift